a surefire way to gain long-term wealth is investing in gold and silver. First, let's talk about investing in silver. The investment offers a lot of different options. We'll go through a brief overview of the focal points and conveniences of purchasing the most well-known silver bullion and silver coin speculations. What makes silver? Silver, just like gold, has been used across time. Research shows that silver is used mostly as coins since early days. However, unlike gold, silver has a variety of industrial and commercial applications. This is because silver is more flexible in its characteristics than gold. It remains the best electrical conductor known to man, highly resistant to corrosion. It's among the most malleable and ductile metals, and it's a splendid thermal conductor. The rarity of metals denotes their value increment. Such is the case in silver, where silver is a byproduct of different base metals, copper, lead, and zinc. 90% of the world's silver mining industries experience bankruptcies. The world is running out of silver. There are several reasons why you should invest in silver. The value will always appreciate in the long run, where the value of silver is stable regardless of the currency that you're purchasing it with. The increment of its value, due to its demand in various fields or industries, will always be great. The space between supply and demand is getting wider, leaving little amount of silver left to sell, so there's scarcity. Consequently, as we can see, the global demand of silver is growing. For example, all of the following uses of silver are growing: medical, electronics, food processing, water treatment, building materials, and consumer products. The focus here is that all of these items are on demand. So even during an economic downturn, there will be a high level of base demand. In terms of investment, the investment demand is soaring, especially in the USA. The US Mint sold more 1-ounce silver eagles in January 2013 than in any other month since they began creating silver in 1986. Other than that, total global demand of silver in the recent years is about 880 million a year, where the worldwide mine production is only about 760 million ounces per year. This example clearly demonstrates how silver is still relevant, where the demand exceeds the supply due to its practicality.